朋友们好，我是阿叶。今天我想聊聊，作为一名全职的安全工程师，我是怎么每天学习中文的。I don't normally eat breakfast, but when I do, it looks like this. As you can see, it's mostly Japanese dishes. I prefer to cook Japanese food for breakfast because it isn't as heavy as American breakfast. While eating, I put on a Chinese movie or TV show. I watch the same movie or episode with subtitles every day for a week. Today, I'm watching 偏偏我爱你. It's so funny. I highly recommend checking it out if you haven't seen it before. After breakfast, I review recordings from the previous class, or I'll review vocabulary. Currently, I'm taking a course that teaches Chinese using comprehensive input. It's been an interesting experience because I have to use gestures to remember vocabulary. When I'm finished with the course, I plan to make a video about my experiences. And then, it's time to go to work. While working, I drink tea and listen to music. I love Taiwanese rock and Chinese rap, but today I chose Taiwanese pop because I was in a Jay Chou mood. But usually I listen to Eggplant Egg, they're my favorite. When I'm not working, I work on personal projects. Sometimes I code, sometimes I study Chinese. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival, so I'm watching the live coverage. While watching this, I got so inspired and spent the rest of my time researching this holiday. Baidu Baike is like Wikipedia, but far more superior in my opinion. It's accurate, and I love to use the text-to-speech feature like a podcast. If you're curious about the Dragon Boat Festival, subscribe to get notified when the video releases. I'm a big advocate for using native materials to study languages, so I'm listening to a podcast right now. Are you noticing a pattern here? Some people focus on speaking, others care more about writing. For me, reading is the most important skill, so I always make time for it. I play games in Chinese too when I'm feeling spontaneous, but honestly, it's quite rare because I don't have a lot of time. Learning a language isn't always about studying books. Studying culture is just as important. Learning the Guzheng helps me feel connected to the language and prevents me from burning out as quickly. This is a typical day for me when I'm studying Chinese. If you're interested in Chinese culture, Chinese literature, or Chinese study tips, subscribe to this channel to get notified for the next video.